What's up guys, it's Motormouth new edition and we're doing another caution of VR6. Let's take it away.